So I have this space underneath my desk where I've got some empty shelving that's the metal kind that will fit 12 by 12 paper. And that space I'm going to use for my specialty cardstock. Previously, I had all of that specialty cardstock in this box and in a pile. And I want to get rid of both of those options. So we're going to go through that today and just kind of sort and figure out where I need to put things. This is photo paper, so that actually is going to go in a different spot altogether. I'll figure out that in a minute. But this box, as you can see, is chock full of specialty paper. And I mean everything that you can imagine. So I have too much because I'm not pulling it out, and I know it. So that means it's time to purge and look at what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. I'm going to repurpose this box to be the spot where I am going to get rid of things. That's acetate. This is kind of a specialty embossed paper, so I'm going to keep that with that. There's some mesh that's purple. I'm going to get rid of that one. So I'm just going to go through and I am going to decide what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. I don't think I'll ever use that. And then I have things like this, which is wood paper, but it's a smaller size. So I need to figure out what I want to do with that because I really want to keep this to be 12 by 12 paper. So there's some, I'm not going to use that. I'm going through this because I have items that I want to add to my space that need a home. That's really the problem. Is I don't have a home for some of the things that I want to use. Is this sticky? The Vellums, acid-free color. This almost feels like it's got a backer on it. Oh, it's sticky. Okay, I'm keeping all of those for sure. That would be cool for die cuts. See, there's just some random pieces. These are all 12 by 12, and this is paper I got for free. Okay, friendship balloons. Meh. Hearts. Yes. Acetate. No. My problem is I don't reach for this stuff because some of the time I just don't know how to use it. That's textured. So I'm hoping by going through these I'll be able to tell what I want to use it for. Okay, matte heavyweight paper, and it's photo on a non-glare finish. Well, that's considered photo paper. That's something separate. Oh, this is not. This is embossing tape sheet. I need to look up how to use this. It says a 1 8 by 10 inch of Mylar double-sided tape that will not curl or lift when heated. Interesting. So this is more of a tool. And then I've got doilies, which are more like an embellishment, but I had no other place to put them. That has some weird stuff going on, like it's already been used. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, so that's vellum, acetate, vellum, acetate. Glitter paper is another category. Oh my gosh. See? And I want to actually try to get this to be maybe 3 categories. So I've got my 3 categories right here. Vellum, acetate, and glitter paper. This is gold foil, which I have a section in my color section. So I'm going to put that there. This is gold, or leafed. I might actually put this in my color section. So color section. So in the comments below, what I want to hear from you is, how do you store these specialty papers? Do you have them separate from your collections like I do and I'm struggling to use them? This is kind of cool. I'll use that one for like a Halloween paper. That's probably what I used it for originally. So how are you keeping these? This is Mylar, which I guess is acetate, so I'll put that with, or is a type of plastic, I think. But yeah, how are you using these? How are you storing them? I almost wonder if this one needs to be in... This is the one that I would pull the most out of all of them, is this either silver or gold. Not the pattern gold, but like the solid for cards for die cutting. I don't really want to cut it up. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. That can go in colored. Put it in silver. Yeah, see, there's things like that. I think I'm going to put those. This is vellum. I think I'm going to put these in my colored section. Not sure about that silver yet. We'll never use that. It's colored section. We'll never use this. Ooh, glitter. Where does glitter go? Where did I decide glitter was going? I don't know yet. Okay, so then this is like a felt, which I think is more considered textured, but it's 8.5 by 11, so I got to figure out where to put that. Again, I don't think I need that many of them, so I might take just one. These are really cool. I like this. I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay, so then you get into actual polyester felt with adhesive on the back. I'm telling you, it's just kind of a hodgepodge. Like, how did I find anything in this whole section, right? This is like basketball. That's what it feels like. See, I've used some of it, right? And I've loved it on the creations that I have used it on. Texture, texture, texture. And I've used this before, but they're 8.5 by 11, so I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I might just end up piling them on top of the 12 by 12 that I've got going on right there. And this to me looks more like a scrap. Oh my goodness, look at how shiny that is. Sorry. This is more like a scrap. So that might go somewhere else. That might go up in my specialty scrap bin. Doily, that is an embellishment. It should not be in here. That's kind of a rosy gold. That's rosy gold. Doily. Texture, but that's a scrap. So we'll put that in a scrap section. This is embossed. Probably keep one, and I'll keep one. Get rid of the rest. Sorry guys. So that's going to be my process. Oh, craft. Colored section. That is texture. Texture. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. It is paper-backed fabric. Oh, it feels like denim is what it feels like. Okay, here's another one of those. And I got those, I think, from a paper pad from Joann. That's cork. Adhesive back cork. These are going to go in the texture section. Okay, see, here's more embellishments. Where did I just set those? Stuck them in here on accident. So I'm not grabbing them because they're piled underneath. That was in that big box of crap that I had. Okay. That needs to go in the colored section. I'm not going to use that. Gravel, fishy aquarium, water, food, fish, water tank, filter pump. Nope. You don't have a fish. That's a weird color. So I think I'm going to challenge myself to start using my specialty paper because there's no reason for it to sit down here and not be used, right? That's vellum. It's so pretty. Like, this is rice paper, and I just bought it because I wanted to try it. I never tried rice paper before. I think I need to put, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this glitter. I don't do glitter. And look at how much glitter I have. Look at all that glitter. Look at all that glitter. I mean, seriously, I bought these from Dollar Tree, and they're adhesive backed, which is kind of cool, but they're not 12 by. And then I have this glitter paper from here that doesn't, well, it kind of sheds. I don't think I'm gonna use that one. And then I've got adhesive glitter paper. See, seriously, what am I doing? Why do I have so much glitter? Then I got big old doilies, and then I've got felt and more felt-ish stuff. Just a ton. Okay, so this is the pile I don't know what I'm gonna do with. This is the acetate pile. That needs to go in there. Okay, and then I've got photo paper and sticker paper. Lord. Okay, I definitely want to use this. I want to keep it, but I don't know where I'm gonna put it. There's some acetate. That's Halloween acetate. I think I'd probably use that. And then a die cut. So that's acetate. I think I need to put my acetate and my vellum together into one, because that makes more sense in my brain. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. It makes sense. So those can go together. And I think I'll probably put a piece of paper between them in my little shelves, so then it says acetate and vellum. So that's easy. That's okay. Looks beautiful. These are going to go to colored. These are my textured, and I'm putting this one in textured because it has a pattern. I think I'm just going to put them right on top of the acetate and vellum. And they're just going to be in a separate station, but just above it. And then I've got these things I need to decide what to do with. So I've got glitter paper. My concern about putting this with colored cardstock is that I do a lot of challenges, and sometimes they say glitter paper or whatever. And so I don't want to put this in a place where I'm not going to be able to find it quickly. And I fear that if I put it with my colored cardstock, I'm not going to know what colors of glitter paper that I'm going to have. Let me know what you do in the comments, because I'm about at a loss. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.